guys, Dutch here with February's Ear Fleek. If you don't know what Ear Fleek is, it is a monthly earring subscription. It is only $3.49 a month for a pair of earrings. And you can get on, and there are codes that you can find to get it your first month for half off. So it'll end up being like $1.75 for the first month. Shipping is always free, which is always a plus. There's 3 different types of earrings to choose from. There is the Silly and Fun, Minimalist but Groovy, and the Boho Babe. Now, if you can't decide which one you want, and you just want one pair, you can always go for the I Don't Give a Hoot, which is their 4th option, which they just pick a pair of earrings for you to send. So last month, I said that I was going to probably look into getting the other 2. I was subscribing to the Minimalist but Groovy, and I kept getting just gold earrings, and I'm not a huge gold fan. I usually do either white gold or silver, so not a fan of yellow gold. My cat is going crazy right now. So I got back on the website and I subscribed to all 3. Do you see 3 envelopes? No. For some reason, I paid for 3, but I only got sent 2. See, Juliet's not happy about it either. So I gotta find out what's going on with that. The 2 that I got was the Minimalist but Groovy, which is the one that I normally get, and the Silly and Fun. So 2 is better than 1, so we will find out what is in both of these. So we will start with the Minimalist but Groovy for February 2018. All right, if I can get the envelope open. All right, inside, always your card, always the same thing. The Hey Girl, I picked these just for you. Yeah, of course you did. All right, and the hair tie. They have been sending the hair tie. Although they used to send temporary tattoos, now they're sending hair ties, which all these end up being are cat toys for Juliet. So, the Minimalist but Groovy this month, once again, yellow gold. I really wish they would send some white gold or silver in color. They are dangly ones. They look like just like little C's with a little diamond on them. I doubt it's a real diamond. A cubic zirconia, a little chip of glass. They're pretty. Once again, yellow gold. But I mean, at least they're not gaudy and they're not like out there and crazy. So I don't mind them. They're just not my favorite color. That is February 2018 Minimalist but Groovy. Now on to the Silly but Fun. I'm a little worried what these might be. Silly but fun. Look, they picked these one out just for me too. All right. And the hair tie. Oh, it's a bigger hair tie. This is the other hair tie. Little hair tie, big hair tie. All right. These are, the backings are yellow gold in color. Dangly. They're little flowers. And those are cute. They're not too big. They're not too gaudy. Once again, in the yellow gold color. So, I'm curious on what the 3rd one, the Boho Babe, would have been, because I did pay for it. So I got to get a hold of Ear Fleek and find out what's going on with that. So here we have Minimalist but Groovy and Silly and Fun. Let me know which one you guys like the best. Let me know if you guys subscribe to Ear Fleek and what you think of them. And what you guys got for the Boho Babe this month, because I didn't get it. But they're cool. I like them. Still, I mean, you can't really... They're good quality earrings. And for $3.49 a month, it's not a bad price. Juliet, there's a camera there. They don't need to see your butt. All right. She keeps knocking it. All right, so there you go. There is February's ear fleek. Two of the three styles. Hopefully next month I get all three. And maybe, fingers crossed, that they send me the third one that I'm missing. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give Juliet a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye.